Hello my dear student, I am your teacher Miss Alishba from Beginner 1, our subject General Knowledge, and this is our third and fourth week video. And today we will just revise these topics that we have already done in our class. Profession's name, living and non-living things, wild and farm animals, and computer parts. Our first topic is profession's name. Doctor, lawyer, pilot, engineer, teacher, and soldier. And our second topic is living and non-living things. In this topic, you have to tick the living thing and cross the non-living things. Farm animals, duck, sheep, and hen. Wild animals, lion, bear, and fox. Computer parts, CPU, keyboard, mouse, and monitor. This is your home task, parts of computer, CPU, monitor, mouse, and keyboard. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.